stem leaf plot parts. To run this activity, visit Jetpack Math and enter activity ID M0069. What part of the stem and leaf plot is highlighted? Now this is a very different kind of chart than the last one. It's called a stem and leaf plot. You have the stem on the left side and you have the leaf on the right side. And what you want to do is look at the key. The key tells you what the stem means and what the leaf means. And that line between the 1 and the 5 is this line between the stem and the leaf. So on the left side of the line we have the stem, and if we have a 1 on that side, and if we have a 5 on the other side, that means 15. So it's important to understand what all the numbers actually mean, because it's a very strange way of writing numbers. So if it's on the left, it's the tens digit, and if it's on the right, it's the ones digit. So for 0 and 2, that would be 0 tens and 2 ones, the number 2. For number 3, it would be 0 and 3, the number 3, and so on. Here we would have 1 10 and 1, so that would be the number 11. And the 1 and the 5 is another piece of data, which would be 15. So looking at all this information, the first thing we're going to do, like in this activity, is we're only going to look at the different parts of it, so that when we talk about it, we know what we're referring to. So the question is, what part of the stem and leaf plot is highlighted? Well, the left side of the line is called the stem. And you can even see it here. It says stem. So these are the stem values. And it's in a column, so we call it the stem column. What part of the stem and leaf plot is highlighted? Well, last we saw the stem was highlighted, now the leaf is highlighted. So this is called the leaf column. What part of the stem and leaf plot is highlighted? Shoes per person. Well, that would be the title. The title occurs on top. And again, we have the stem column highlighted. And here we have our key highlighted. The key gives us information on the data that's in the stem plot. If there's a number to the left of the line and a number to the right of the line, we just treat that as 15. A 1 and a 5 becomes 15. So a 4 and a 2 would become 42, and so on. That's the key. Again, we have the title on top. And we have the key on the bottom. And we have our leaf column.